In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an attractive brand, a brand that sets your cleaning business apart from every other cleaning business. What is going on? My name is Mike Mack and I help people achieve financial freedom through building automated cleaning businesses. I'm also the author of the Amazon best-selling Pick Up Cash, Not Trash, the ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom with an automated cleaning business. I've made it to where my subscribers can get this book for absolutely free. All you have to do is cover the shipping. To do that, go below this video and click on the link that says Pick Up Cash, Not Trash. All right, now let's get right into the business. Okay, so recently I had a student join my automated cleaning business accelerator program, and 2 days in, he was insisting on starting the rich niche method. And I had asked him, like, hey, this has only been 2 days, you know, how is your branding and all set up? Have you made yourself the unicorn yet? And student said, yeah, no, totally, I've already done that. I was like, oh, really? Okay, cool. How many clients do you have currently? And he was like, well, I'm just starting out. I don't have any clients. I was like, oh, wow, so you really built a brand in 2 days? And they were like, no, I got everything set up. I did the back end, the paperwork, I named my company, I got the logo set up, I am good to go. And I said, well, how long have you been set up? And he said, well, I've been set up about a month now. I was like, okay. So have you tried anything to get clients before coming and joining the program? He said, yeah, I've actually tried everything and nothing seems to work. That's why I wanted to come in and use the rich niche method. And then I told him, and it kind of stopped him in his tracks, and I was like, hey, listen, not to toot my own horn or anything like that, but the rich niche method is pretty dynamite. However, it is not magical, okay? You need to set up a core foundation of running the rich niche method is building your unicorn brand. I'm telling you right now, this is what sets you apart, okay? And thankfully, this student actually took what I was saying to heart and within 3 weeks landed his first big client, okay? But that is the power, because this person was using the method without the brand, and these things go together. So I'm gonna show you how to build that exact unicorn brand in this video. Do not skip any of these steps because they are all important and they all rely on each other to work. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what is a core foundation of any good brand? I mean, this advice could be used for almost any business out there. What is a core foundational piece? And that's the character of your company. And more specifically, that's the reputation of your company. It's very important that you have some type of reviews out there. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, well, I don't have any reviews. What am I supposed to do then, Mr. Mike Mack? Don't call me mister. No, but no, what you could do is get a character testimonial. Somebody, maybe from a doctor, a teacher, somebody, you know, probably don't use your parents, but you don't need to get somebody to say the truth about you. Are you trustworthy? Are you somebody who, you know, you're a good person? That may seem cheesy or corny, but it's better than nothing, and it's a good start. You'd actually be surprised. In the beginning, we leaned heavily on 2 character testimonials. That helped us land accounts right off the bat. And then right once you start landing your accounts, you'll be able to add to those character testimonials, okay? You have to build a good foundation, because even if you are a unicorn and everything about you is different, if your reputation is not there, if your reviews aren't there, it's so hard to build off of a foundation that's kind of like sand. Does that make sense? I hope it does. All right, so get your reputation in order. That is step 1 for building your unicorn brand. Let's go to the next one. Step 2 for building this brand, this unicorn brand, is you need a unique logo. Now, I don't mean unique in terms of like crazy colors or like just something wild, but I mean put a little bit of effort into it, but make it professional and clean and neat. Make a logo that has an attractive tagline under it. This is very, very important for standing out. Don't talk about yourself. You know that is not the move because they don't care about you yet. It's just a sad reality, but it's the truth, okay? So talk about how you can serve them. Put that in your logo. Don't use wild colors, okay? A lot of people think branding is just colors. I'm telling you, that couldn't be further from the truth. Although colors do play a role, it is not the only role. So just try to use some clean, basic colors. Make your logo clean, presentable. That is the best tip tip I could ever give on creating a logo for your cleaning company. All right, the next two are absolute dynamite. I can't wait to share them with you. Before we do though, if you are getting value from this video, hit me with that thumbs up right there. Just take a second. I appreciate you either way. Let's get into the next ones. So step number 3 for kind of building that unicorn brand out is you need a unique brand story. Okay, now what this doesn't mean taking the About Me section of your website and just talking about how awesome you are. You know why that's not unique? Because everyone is doing it. So do not follow the pack there, because they will lead you astray. It is good to mention things about you that are helpful for your client to know. Like, for instance, if you are someone of faith and you want clients who share that faith, you should talk about that briefly in your website. That shouldn't be hard to find, okay? Or the opposite. If you'd like to keep that completely out of your business altogether, then go that route. So you want to include important things about you, things that could be relevant. For instance, if you were a prior gym owner, if you owned gyms in the past, that is relevant. If you're going to clean gyms, that is super relevant. If you were somebody that's worked in an administrative office in a medical practice, and now your cleaning business serves medical practices primarily, that is important knowledge to put in there, okay? So keep your story extra short. Use that to make your unique brand. That is going to set you apart from every other, Joe Schmo cleaning business out there, okay? When they see your proposal next to the rest, these 3 things alone are gonna set you apart. But the 4th thing, without this, what are we doing here? Let's get into it. Okay, the 4th thing you want to do to tie this all together is have a great CTA. What is that for my non-marketing folks out there? That is a call to action. What's a call to action? It's basically what it sounds like, right? Let's say I give you a big presentation, right? And then I close it on a cliffhanger. Is that a good presentation? I don't think so. Are people gonna know what to do next? No. A call to action is going to guide your customer through the client journey from being unhappy with the competitor's cleaning company to super duper happy with your company. So a good call to action could be do anything but what do most other companies do? A good CTA could be anything about a percentage off, it could be about a free deep clean. Any of these things can be an attractive offer. What is not attractive, however? What's not attractive is what's not unique. Tongue twister. And what's not unique is when your offer or your CTA is, we give free estimates. Oh, bravo, free estimates. Who would have thunk? Nobody's charging for estimates. So when you put that there, it's insulting to your client because they don't believe it. It doesn't do anything. It's not a good call to action, okay? Like I said previously, a good call to action could be a percentage off or something that's beneficial to your potential client, and something it would be even better if it's time sensitive to help close a deal faster, because commercial could take a few weeks. It's not like residential. Residential, you can close, a $100 house clean in like 30 minutes. Commercial, these deals could drag out from anywhere from a week to 30 days, maybe more in some cases. Typically these are larger spaces, and the juice is definitely worth the squeeze once you get them, but I'm just giving you an idea. So having a call to action, especially one with like that's expiring or time sensitive, these things are going to set you apart. This is how you create that unicorn brand that separates you from the pack. But this is just a little taste. If you want more on this and you want a deeper understanding on this, what you can do is check out my brand new masterclass. It is brand spanking new. Ping! You can get it in the link in the descriptions. Look for the masterclass right there. It has totally been redone. You're going to love it. But that's like 45 minutes. Great class, but you want to set time aside for that. So if you don't have that kind of time, and now that you know how to avoid the mistake of weak branding and you want to avoid some other common mistakes, watch this video right here and get to the masterclass later. Peace out.